Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I brought another new testing phase airdrop for you. This one is still in the very early stage. The project's name is Syntetika. Syntetika calls itself the yield for the Internet of Assets. It aims to create a bridge between Web3 financial app creators and users/investors. Basically, developers can build financial applications here and users can buy, use or participate. In the future, this could create high demand and generate good revenue opportunities. As you can see, they have already raised $2.5 million in funding and have status as a potential airdrop backed by some well-known investors. If you visit their X profile right now, they have 27k followers, and if you scroll down, you'll notice they share lots of updates about their project, which is another positive sign. Before joining the airdrop, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find this link. Simply click that link and you'll land on this page. First, you need to connect your wallet, tick the terms and click on wallet. You can use any of these wallets, but I'd recommend using MetaMask. Then click connect, sign in and confirm, and you're set to go. Here you'll first see some onboarding tasks. First, you need to prove humanity. On the right side, solve this captcha, then verify, and your first task will be complete. Next, complete the connect wallet task. We already completed that, so click on complete and it's done too. Next, click on follow. On the right side, click on login, then authorize the app, then click on follow Syntetika, follow them, go back, confirm, and it's completed. Next, select join Discord and click on login, then authorize. Next, you need to verify, so click this link, accept the invite, click on verify, then again click on verify, and you're verified. Go back, verify, and it's done. Next, you need to join their Telegram, so click login, and start the bot. Now click this link to join their channel, join the channel, go back, verify, and it's done. Here you will find your referral link, which you can share with your friends, and you will get 100 SP points for every successful referral. Now here you will find some daily tasks which are very easy to complete. First, you can claim your daily points, so don't forget to claim daily. Next, in this option you will find a secret code that they share on social media. To get the code, keep an eye on our Telegram channel. Next, you can like their post, so like the post, and it's done. Also, you can repost their post, so repost, and it's done too. Next, you can comment on their post, so write something, go back and confirm. Right now it's not completed, but I'll try later. Similarly, here you will find lots of basic tasks like this, so make sure to complete them all. Finally, in the protocol testing option, you can complete each of these tasks. The video would go longer, so I'm skipping this right now. If you want a full dedicated video on that, you can comment on this video and I'll try to make it. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.